Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best microwave drawers available on the market today. These appliances combine sleek design with high functionality, making them perfect for modern kitchens. We'll go over their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is right for your home. You can find all the product links in the description below. So let's dive right in. Kicking things off at number 5, we have the Sharp microwave drawer oven with an angled touch control panel. This model is a solid option for those who value ease of use and sleek design. With a 1.2 cubic foot capacity and 950 watts of power, it's perfect for everyday tasks like reheating leftovers or cooking small meals. The angled touch controls are intuitive and make it easy to adjust settings without bending over. Plus, it features a sensor cook menu for precise cooking and reheating. In terms of build quality, the stainless steel finish is both durable and attractive, complementing most modern kitchens. Its built-in airflow control ensures proper ventilation, making it a great option for flush installations under an island or standard cabinetry. However, with a price tag of $1,297, it's one of the pricier options on our list. While its performance is reliable, it doesn't offer as many advanced features as some of the higher-ranked models. Overall, this microwave drawer is a great choice for those looking for a stylish, user-friendly appliance with solid performance. The lack of additional features like higher wattage or child safety locks, however, might make it less appealing for families with diverse cooking needs. Pros include its sleek design and sensor cooking, while cons are its higher price and relatively basic feature set. At number 4, we have another offering from Sharp, the microwave drawer oven with a concealed control panel and digital LCD display. This model is a sleek and modern option for those who prioritize aesthetics in their kitchen. The concealed control panel opens at a 45-degree angle, making it both discreet and easy to use. Its 950 watts of power and 1.2 cubic feet of capacity are sufficient for most daily cooking needs, from defrosting to reheating. The automatic drawer system is a standout feature, providing a smooth open and hands-free close. This adds a touch of luxury and convenience to your cooking routine. The stainless steel construction is high quality and long-lasting, ensuring it remains a stylish addition to your kitchen for years to come. However, at a price of $1,397, it's the most expensive Sharp model on our list, and the performance doesn't necessarily justify the premium over other options. This microwave drawer is ideal for homeowners who want a visually seamless appliance without compromising on functionality. Pros include its concealed control panel and automatic drawer system, while cons are its higher price and limited additional features compared to less expensive options. Sliding into the number 3 spot is the Coolmore KMMD1SS microwave drawer. This model offers a fantastic balance of performance, style, and affordability. With 1,000 watts of power and 10 custom cooking levels, it's a powerful and versatile appliance. The one-touch open and slow close features make it convenient to use, while the flat-bottom design maximizes interior space without taking up unnecessary room in your kitchen. The stainless steel finish gives it a sophisticated look that blends seamlessly with modern kitchen aesthetics. It's also incredibly user-friendly, with memory and timer functions that simplify cooking routines. At a price of $823.99, it's more affordable than some of the premium Sharp models, but still delivers great performance. However, the lack of advanced features like sensor cooking or auto menus might leave some users wanting more. This microwave drawer is perfect for individuals or families looking for a stylish, high-performance option without breaking the bank. Pros include its powerful 1,000-watt output and sleek design, while cons are its absence of advanced automation features. Coming in at number 2 is the Midea MM12S2ASZ microwave drawer, a high-performance appliance packed with family-friendly features. With 1,000 watts of power and 11 levels of control, this microwave allows for precision cooking every time. The spacious 1.2 cubic feet capacity accommodates a variety of dish sizes, making it perfect for larger families. The intuitive one-touch start control panel simplifies operation, while the auto menus take the guesswork out of cooking. What sets this model apart is its attention to safety and convenience. The child lock feature ensures that it's safe for households with kids, while the easy-to-clean interior makes maintenance a breeze. At $899.99, it's on the higher end of the price spectrum, but offers excellent value for its robust feature set and powerful performance. This microwave drawer is ideal for families or serious cooks who need a reliable, feature-rich appliance. Pros include its child safety lock, auto menus, and powerful cooking performance, while cons are its higher weight and price compared to simpler models. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Sharp Microwave Drawer Oven KB6524PSY. This model earns the #1 spot for its perfect balance of performance, design, and value. With a 1.2 cubic feet capacity and 950 watts of power, it's an efficient appliance for various cooking needs. The angled touch control panel is easy to use and enhances the overall user experience. Plus, the low-profile design makes it a great fit for modern kitchens. What sets this model apart is its thoughtful features, such as the sensor cook menu for precise heating and the included 10-year warranty on major components. At $1,197, it's not the cheapest option, but it offers incredible reliability and build quality. The stainless steel exterior is both stylish and durable, ensuring it stays a centerpiece in your kitchen for years to come. This microwave drawer is perfect for those who want a high-quality appliance that's built to last. Pros include its user-friendly design, robust warranty, and excellent build quality, while cons are its slightly higher price compared to other models in its performance range. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in your search for the perfect microwave drawer. If you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product comparisons. If you have any questions about these microwave drawers, let me know in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. See you in the next video.